Color blindness or color vision problem means that you have trouble seeing red, green, blue, or a mix of these colors under normal lighting conditions. People generally have three types of cone cells in their eyes. Each is perceptive of red, green, or blue light. So when your eyes take in different amounts of this light, you see color. So color blindness is when one of these cone cells is missing or doesn't work properly. So how can you tell if you're colorblind? Well, here's a test for you. See if you can identify the number. One thing I've always wondered is how does someone tell if they're colorblind? My concept of green could be completely different from your perspective of this color. Even so, in 1794, John Dalton described his own colorblindness in a paper. Within his lifetime, it was discovered that his theory was incorrect, but his research was so widely recognized that Daltonism became a common term for colorblindness. Unlike some other genetic disorders, colorblindness does not directly lower life expectancy. However, it could affect someone by making them unable to tell the red and green on a stoplight and being killed in an accident. Since the cone cells of the retina are also used to see fine details, people who are colorblind tend to have vision that is less sharp. About 7% of men are colorblind, compared to about 0.4% of women. That means for every one colorblind woman, there are 17 colorblind men. There are also several famous people who are colorblind, including Mark Twain, Prince William, and Emerson Moser. The gene that leads to red-green color blindness is found in the X chromosome. Males only have one X chromosome, whereas females have two. So typically in females, the stronger chromosome takes precedence and they retain correct vision. The son of a woman carrying the faulty gene has a 50% chance of inheriting the faulty gene and suffering from color blindness. The daughter of the same woman is unlikely to be colorblind unless her father is colorblind, but she still retains a 50% chance of carrying the defective gene. Dogs are not colorblind, but their ability to see color is significantly worse than humans. This is for two reasons. One, dogs have only less cone cells in their retinas, and two, dogs are dichromatic, which means they can only see two primary colors, blue and yellow, whereas humans are trichromatic and we see the three primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. So there's been this huge debate recently about whether the dress is black and blue or white and gold. But there is real science behind why we see it differently. It's all about perception. The cones are color sensitive, specifically to red, green, and blue. The rods are shade sensitive, seeing black and white. So when people see it differently, it's because they see it as overexposed or underexposed. People who are seeing the dress as black and blue are probably seeing the photo as overexposed, but people seeing it as white and gold are seeing it as underexposed.